Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If your iPhone is acting strange and you're worried it might have a virus, I'm going to show you a few steps to clean things up. iPhones don't usually get viruses, but if you're seeing pop-ups, slow performance, or weird behavior, it's often something else like adware or cached data. Let's get straight into what you can do to fix it. First, you'll want to delete any unnecessary documents and data from iCloud Drive. Sometimes, downloaded files or documents stored in iCloud can hide unwanted stuff that slows down your phone. Head into iCloud Drive and clear out any files or downloads you don't recognize or need anymore. This can help get rid of anything suspicious. Next, if the issues persist, backing up and restoring your iPhone is a solid solution. Start by creating a backup to save your important data. This can be done through iCloud or using iTunes on your computer. Once your data is safe, you can restore the iPhone to its factory settings. This will wipe your phone clean, removing any potential viruses while allowing you to restore your data afterward. If you want to go even further, you can erase all content and settings on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, tap General, then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. This full reset ensures that any harmful software or data is completely wiped out. Another simple but effective step is clearing your Safari data. If you've been experiencing issues like pop-ups or strange behavior while browsing, head to Settings, find Safari, and clear your history and website data. This will remove any cached data or potential adware that could be causing problems. If you've done all this and still notice issues, it might be worth heading to an Apple store. They can run a diagnostic check to make sure there's nothing deeper going on with your device. Remember, if your iPhone is acting weird, like showing frequent pop-ups, slowing down, draining battery quickly, or displaying unfamiliar apps, it's probably not a virus in the traditional sense. It's more likely adware, background apps, or cached data causing the problem, and these steps should help you get rid of them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you later. See you.